Before we introduce service learning into the news writing module, we would allow the students to pick any topic they wanted, and they would invariably gravitate towards food, pop culture, entertainment. So we thought that with service learning, we use service learning to raise the bar and get the students to think seriously about very critical social issues in Singapore. We decided to focus on mental health issues, and when we looked around, we actually found a perfect partner in the National Council of Social Service.
Heartened to see the projects that the youth groups have presented, and they've done the research. They've also put in some creative ideas, and in doing so, I feel that the students have learned something, and they're able to contribute to a better, more inclusive and caring society in Singapore.
In media, we use a lot of words and images, and these are very powerful to convey either positively or negatively a particular message. And by using service learning as a pedagogy, we are actually teaching students how to use words and images in a socially responsible manner.
I definitely think that I am now able to hold a conversation better with a person with mental health issues. Not only have I gotten more comfortable interacting with them, but I've gotten more comfortable about confronting my own mental health. I've realized also that I cannot compromise my integrity or the dignity of my subjects in a pursuit of a story or an article that is interesting and vivacious.